ocean is so large and mysterious that sometimes we don't think about what goes on below the surface. There is a whole world to explore under the sea. It's full of coral, fish, sea urchins, and more. Each of these living creatures play a role in the makeup of an underwater ecosystem. Coral, which looks like colorful rocks, is actually a living organism. It is comprised of millions of tiny animal polyps that have a symbiotic relationship with algae, the zooxanthellae. The coral shelters the algae, and the algae in turn give the coral sugars and provide its natural color. There are soft corals like sea fans, and hard corals like elkhorn and brain coral. The coral reef system is home to many different species of fish. The structures of the hard and soft corals give the fish places to hide from predators, but they also provide the fish with food. Many fish graze on other types of algae, which can block out the sun the coral needs. They eat the extra algae and make life better for the coral. Parrotfish are one of the most important algae eaters. Parrotfish scrape the algae off and in the process take in lots of chunks of hard materials. These hard materials come out the other end of the parrotfish as sand. Sea urchins are another creature that is important to the coral reef system. They have a spherical shell with many large spines. Like many of the fish, sea urchins also help the coral by grazing on algae. All of these creatures are important to the reef system. With too little or too many of any of them, the system would be off balance. Unfortunately, there is one thing that endangers the whole system: global warming. The increase of water temperatures and acidity of the water puts the whole system at risk. This causes the coral to bleach and die off, which takes away the fish and sea urchins' food sources and homes. Do what you can to keep the coral reef safe. Practice safe and responsible snorkeling. Don't touch the coral reef or anchor a boat on it, as this can hurt the coral. Don't pollute the oceans. Dispose of your trash properly. And most importantly, spread the word about coral reefs to your friends and family.